Hello friends, today we will learn how to use image in this one web page. Okay, so we need first image. Background image. Okay, just use this one and this one. Okay, just copy this image, then here you should use okay, just use image tag. Okay, this is the image. It's a big image, but image. Okay, so right now if image not found, so what will be show here? Just imagine. Okay, nothing. I don't know why is nothing. Okay, when image will be not found, here is the image here. Okay, right, look here, this is the image here. That's mean when image not found in URL src, then it's show there. If I found here image, then it's not will be show, just not. Okay, so image have two type of image. That means is image tag and have image background. If we want to use in background image, then what? Just use here p tag and background image. Okay, so here is the background image, style, background image, URL, and this one. Okay, here is the image. If I use hide, okay, that's mean here is a style tag, and then we'll use hide 500 pixel. That's mean here is the image. Okay, I hope you understand how to use background image. Clear? Okay, so here's the problem right now is a repeat. So no repeat, just use here background repeat, no repeat. Yeah, that's the problem is gone. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe. Thank you so much.